Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another Dollar Tree haul. So I haven't done no Dollar Trees in a while. Normally every time I go to the Dollar Tree, they're sold out. So I tried to wait till later in the month to go so they would restock and stuff like that. Because every time I go to, and I'm thinking I'm going to do a haul, they never have anything. So today I was quite surprised. I had to go to Walmart, so I decided I just would go ahead and run to the Dollar Tree and check out, see what they had. I figured they'd have some Valentine's Day stuff, but they already had some of their garden stuff out, which right now is January, and it is time to start stuff in greenhouses like cabbage and cauliflower and broccoli and stuff like that. I am really excited about that. I love to garden. It's one of my favorite things to do. But I have to redo my greenhouse, and I would like to have it done in the next 2 weeks. And I'm just going to slap some plastic up and like that for now. Then next year, I think I'll expand to all glass. But, okay, we're going to go ahead and jump into this haul. So they had a bunch of the Betty Crocker bows. I've got them before. I never did get this size. You get 2 Easy Seal bows, which they hold about 3.79 cups in it, which is 30.3 flow ounces, which we always have leftovers, and I don't know. I get aggravated when I have stuff in the way. You get so many cabinets in your kitchen, and I don't know. I start anything like this, I'll get aggravated, and I throw it away. But here lately, I've noticed I don't have nothing. I've thrown everything away. I don't have nothing to put leftovers in. So I figured I'd get a couple of these. And then I bought a pack of these. You get, I ain't sure. I didn't count to see how many you got. Because, like I said, I like to garden. And I always like to start from seedlings myself. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 6 of these in. Then I ended up, I got 2 packs of these. I'm guessing you probably get about 10 in here. I'm not really sure. But it is a good deal. Normally, I always ordered mine off line. I think I always got it from Amazon. But I'd order the trays. And this is a better deal. You get, I think, 20 in here. I counted to 10, and they look like about 20. So, but, now wait a minute. It says you get 12, but there's more than 12. So, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mine's got more than 12, I think. You're supposed to get 12, but I think they actually have more in it. And these, they're 3.5 inches in diameter. So, oh, and let me see. I guess these are about the same size. Okay, so I got them. And I don't know, my cats have been going around itching all the time. And the dog, so this probably won't work, but it does smell good. I got some of the Natural's Best Flea and Tick Spray. Great for itch relief. That's really why I got it, but it's supposed to get rid of fleas and ticks too. But they're indoor cats. They probably don't get nothing like that. But the dogs on the outside, one of them had a tick the other day, and I was like, that's crazy, because it is like winter time. And then I ended up buying some seeds because I was at Walmart and I was looking for the cabbage and broccoli. And it was like $2, and I decided to wait until, since I ain't even got the plastic up on my greenhouse yet, I was going to wait. But so I was going to pay, like, it was between $2 to $3 for every pack of seeds. But when you go to the Dollar Tree, they are for $4. So I ended up getting some kale. Then I got some cabbage. And then I got some tomatoes and peppers. Now, I planted these last year, but I did plant them late since I decided not to put plastic up on my greenhouse. and they didn't really come up, so, or I think they got washed away because a big flood came in. Then I got a different kind of tomato beefsteaks, and another beefsteak, and then I Romas for containers. Then I got some California Wonders, which I like them pretty good. I like to cook them in steaks. And then I got some onions, because right now if you don't start your onions, you're going to have to buy the sets. And then I got 1 pack of flowers. I got the Sweet Williams. I love these, and they always come back, or they don't really go away. They just get bigger and bigger, so I really like them. So, got me a bunch of seeds. Okay. Then, I did get a lot of garden stuff. I got some seed starters. You get like, I think there's 8 in there, and it's got the tray, like you can, so you don't get water everywhere, and then it's got the top. These are alright. You can buy them bigger at the Walmart, or at Dollar Store, or anywhere, just like this. And a lot of times where I'm in a greenhouse anyway, I just, I use this, and I will take this and just add seeds to it, put dirt in it, add seeds. Ended up getting 2 of them. Then I got me a cornflower starter. I like these. I love the pink ones. They had daisies too, but I didn't get them. And then I got me a tomato one. They don't say what kind of tomato it is, though. It does have a barcode that you can look it up, or a scanner. Then I ended up getting tomato rocket. And this is exactly how it's supposed to grow. I don't see that tomatoes grow up like that, but it says actual growing image. I really don't believe that, because tomatoes, it would have to be a lot of tomatoes. And then I got 2 of the strawberry kits. I love strawberries. I had probably like 100 strawberry plants. They were starting to do really good, and my husband weeded them all down. But I'm going to start again, put them somewhere else. The location just wasn't right for them. And this year, my blueberry bushes last year they did really good, but this year is the year they're supposed to do really, really good. Okay, then, let me see. I got another flower rocket. I got the zinnia mix. I love zinnias. They grow real good and tall, and they're really pretty. And then I got Lego Team Up. It's like season 1. You get 2 discs. You can't really beat that for $1. You can buy something like this and put it back for a kid for its birthday, or in a day that it's having a bad day, or anything like that. Then I needed some batteries for my Flawless Brow, so I just picked these up down there. And I got this cute little Valentine's Day box. It's got Velcro on it to keep it shut. I just thought that was just so cute. And even though it's for Valentine's Day, it's a gift box, it says, but you could set this on your vanity, on your dresser, give it to a little girl. They could use it all year round. And all their Christmas candy was for $4, so I ended up getting 2 boxes of the Tro's 16 mini canes. And let's see, I got me a thermometer for outside. I'm going to put this on the shed or on the garage or something. For $1, you really can't go wrong. Okay, so they had they had a bunch of stuff for Valentine's Day, like little gifts like to give girls. And I got 2 of them. They're by Color Mates. They had the Lash Out, but they had mascara, they had lip gloss. I I forget everything they had, but they had a bunch of like little makeup items, lipsticks. Let me see, lipsticks, lip glosses, mascaras. Mascara looked weird because it was in a clear tube with black. At first, I thought it was a black liquid lip, but I really like these lashes. I don't know. They got a good black band on them. They're probably not that good, but I figured I'd give them a try out. I don't know what kind of hair they are, and the packaging is really cute. It's fake hair, but not like too bad, not like the Wet n Wild ones are. So these actually might be alright. I don't know. I just thought they was really good and cute. And then they had like a little beauty, not a beauty blender, but it's the ultimate tool to stretch your sass with an all-over, even, streak-free finish. They had these in black and red, since I got a black beauty blender, but these are smaller. I just thought I'd get a red one. It kind of feels like my Moda does. So if you ever been to like Family Dollar store, they have the Moda, M-O-D-A brand, and it feels like theirs. I have one that should have, it kind of feels like these. Like, I don't know. This one does a really good job. You're thinking it's absorbing a lot of makeup, but it does really do a really good job putting it on, and these are like just like $1 or $2. Mine needs washed. I normally don't use it a lot, so, but that would be like really good to get under the eyes or something like that. I just thought it was cute. Okay, so I got more Christmas candy because it was for $4. I got 2 things of coal, and I got these little chocolate balls. Then I needed to go to, I forgot the batteries at Walmart, so I just picked this pack out. You know, they drain really fast until I get out. These will do. These will last 1 to 3 days. Then, of course, while I was down there, I had to pick some garbage bags up because every time I go to the Dollar Tree, I always get a box of garbage bags. You get 14 for $1. They smell like lemons. They're really good bags. So I always get them. And I really like this mouth. I don't know. Something's leaking. It's mouthwash. I ended up just paying $1 for mouthwash because it all works. That one works. It doesn't have like a bad burn to it. So I kind of like it. And then that mouthwash leaked all over everything. Everything's wet. I got the Colgate Max White Freshening Breath with the breath strips in it. And I went ahead and picked the boys up some Power Stick. It's got a really good smell to it. And, let me see. Okay, so I was going to pick, today I wore the Chanel No. 5 perfume, and it's very expensive to buy, so I was trying to buy a bottle like it. So this really smelled a lot like it. I had my husband to smell it and see what he thought, and this is the Ed or something, but it smells similar to the Chanel No. 5, very close to it, and you get 2.5 flow ounces. I was only getting 1 box of this box, but for some reason I picked up 2, so I guess I got 2 boxes. But now, like when I'm gardening in the spring, to keep deer and stuff out of my garden, I do get perfume from the Dollar Tree and spray on rags and stick it up all around the garden to keep deers out. And then our version of Ed Hardy for Men by Ed Hardy. This is Luxury Men. I don't know what it smells like. It's No. 5. It looks like this. It smells good, so maybe. Because I figure if I was going to get me some, I might as well get my husband some. And then, I don't know, I've got some Vera Wang perfume that I actually absolutely love. If I can talk today, it's been a long day. I've been shopping, but my makeup still looks good to have a long day. Ended up, I don't know where the lid went to this one, but this is by Ed 2, and this is by, it's Princess by Vera Wang, and for Her World Highness is what this one's called. And it smelled really good. I smelled it in the store. So I picked it up. Not that I really needed perfume. It's just I thought I'd get some. I really want something that smells very similar to the Chanel No. 5. Because I really like that scent. And that's what I was actually wearing today. And I was trying to find something similar to it. And I ended up picking up a new thermometer. Because it is flu season. Everybody's getting, most people's getting sick. So I went ahead and picked one of these up. And then I got some projects I need to do to paint and stuff. So I ended up picking up 3 things of drop cloth. And, like, I need some dark, but since I only bought the little things right now, I just bought a little bag of potting soil. I'll go to Lowe's and get me a bigger bag later. I did buy 5 window and doors alarms. I do not know where they went. They're just little alarms that they go together, and when you raise the window or open the door, when they're apart, they buzz really loud. I had one with me, but I guess I dropped it. My husband did put some of them up, but I brought one in here, and I don't know what I've done with it. I must have dropped it, but they're pretty cool to have them for $1. You really can't go wrong. So, like, when you open the door, it'll go, ooh. But that is it. That's everything I got at the Dollar Tree this time. Better than what I've been doing here lately. Every time I go, I might get like 2 or 3 things, and I don't get enough to a haul, so I just end up not doing it. But I hope you guys did enjoy this haul, and I will see y'all on the next one. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. And don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified when I do. And I hope you guys have a good evening. Bye for now.